Happy 70th birthday sa aming pinakamamahal na Ate Tina. 70 years. 70 beautiful years of love, of strength, of sacrifice, and unwavering faith. Hindi lang ito simpleng birthday. Hindi lang ito bilang ng taon. But today, we celebrate a life that shaped our family. A life that shaped us. Isang asawa, isang ina, isang anak, isang kapatid, isang tita, isang pinsan, isang kaibigan. Napakaraming papel, pero lahat ng iyon, iisang puso. Isang pusong walang hinihinging kapalit sa bawat tulong na ibinibigay. Isang pusong marunong magmahal. Ate, alam naming hindi naging madali ang lahat. May mga gabing pagod, may mga umagang kulang sa tulog, may mga panahong ikaw ang tahimik na umiiyak. Pero pagdating sa amin, ikaw pa rin ang matatag. You carried the family with so much grace, so much strength, so much love. Kung may problema kami, alam namin pwede kaming lumapit sa'yo. Hindi mo kami hinuhusgahan. You listened, you understood, you guided us gently. You helped us, and you love us unconditionally. Ate, you always put everyone else first before yourself. Yung mga pangarap mo na hindi lang para sa'yo. Yung mga pangarap mo na matulungan kami at suportahan sa anong mga pangarap din namin. Tahimik kang nagsakripisyo, tahimik kang lumaban, tahimik kang nagmamahal sa lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa'yo. At ate, ramdam na ramdam namin yon araw-araw. 70 years may sound so long. Pero para sa amin, parang kulang yon para masuklian lahat ng ibinigay mo. Because how do you measure a love like yours? How do you repay a lifetime of selflessness? Ate Tina, our ate, our guiding light. Thank you. Thank you for every sacrifice, for every prayer, for every help, for every silent battle you fought for us. Happy 70th birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Hindi lang ngayon, hindi lang bukas, kundi habang buhay.
Santos family, happy birthday to Tina.
Happy birthday!
Hello. Greetings from Chicago.
The Windy City.
Hello. Happy birthday sa aking mabait, maganda at sexy pinsan, Tina. Sana'y sapitin mo pa ang maraming kaarawan at bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng malusog at malakas na pangangatawan. To be honest, you make 70 look amazing. May God bless you even more so you can be a blessing to others. We love you.
Happy birthday! Hi, Tina! Happy birthday! Malayo ang narating ng birthday mo. Happy birthday na lang, and I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And like Lolo said, you look amazing. You're 70.
I know.
I hope OG don't exchange you for 235. Okay? So, OG, don't do that. Okay? Happy birthday, Tina. Thank you. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Yes, enjoy. And God bless.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po, tita! Sana po ma-enjoy niyo po yung surprise niyo kahit na hindi po tayo magkasama ngayon. Pagbalik niyo po, magsa-celebrate po tayo. Salamat po sa lahat. Love na love po namin kayo.
Happy birthday! Pasensya ka na, hindi ka ako nauwi. Pero,
lagi ka naman namin kasama sa aming panalangin. Sana dalangin namin na magkakakaan ng Ama ng mahabang buhay dahil sa mga tulong mo sa amin. Lagi kang nandyan pagka oras na aming pangailangan. Anyways, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and enjoy your special surprises. Okay, love you. See you soon. Bye. Love you, tita.
Happy birthday, Tina Tita. We hope that you had a blast on your vacation to the Philippines. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Tina! I wanted to say happy birthday and salamat sa lahat ng mga naitulong sa aming pamilya and hope you have a good birthday today and good health always and God bless and we love you! Say hi, Zelda! Wave hi, baby! Wave hi! Bye!
My name is Janine, and I wish Tina Tita a great birthday, and I wish you the best.
Hi, my name is Nina, and I want to say happy birthday to Tina Tita. I hope you really have a good birthday, and I hope you live a long life that you have right now.
Hi, Auntie Christy, Kuya Oji, everyone who made it all the way to the Philippines. Hope you're enjoying your time here. Happy birthday and thanks for visiting us in Cebu last time.
Happy birthday, Tita Christy. We love you. Peace.
Happy birthday!